I'm going to show you how to save your search history so that you can get back to this set of results later. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on these three little dots and then click on Save Search. Once you do that, you'll go ahead, and I always recommend taking this out and putting in your research question instead. So I'm going to go back to my research question here that I had come up with. Let's see, it's right here. And I'm going to copy that and put that in the search name, okay? And then I'll go ahead and click on Save. And so it is now in my saved folder, which is over here. So I'll click on Save. And then I'll click on searches because it was a search. Here it is. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and add this to a project. So I'll click on Add to Project, and then I can create a new project. Okay, and then create, and then this will be added to that project. As you can see on here, some of the limiters that we applied are listed, okay? And we can go and see the rest of the information by clicking on Edit Details. And we can see our search terms and we can copy those to the clipboard. The number of results we had, search mode, again, that's proximity. We applied equivalent subjects. Um, all the filters are not listed here, so we'll talk about how you can adjust this, okay? And then the interface and then the databases that we searched in. So I have opened up a Google Doc and I'm going to go ahead and just copy this information over to that Google Doc. And I want to get my query, which is my keywords or my search terms. And if you feel like a table format is helpful, you can also create a table if you want. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then results is 357. And I'll just go ahead and copy this other information and put it over in the table here. Okay, so now that I have it in my table, I'm going to go back to my the EBSCO screen here, and I'm going to close this. And here's our search, and I notice that it did not include English here or academic journals, and we narrowed it to both of those. So we need to add English and academic journals. Otherwise, it included everything else. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our search. I'm just going to click on the search here. And I can go ahead and go to my filters then. And I want to see how many articles are in each database. So Medline has 128, so I'm going to add that to my list here. Sinaloa has 127. PsycInfo 67. Health Source 32. Alt Health Watch 3. And Psych Articles 1. And if a database was not listed there, that means it was 0. So you also have to make note of 0, and you just say n equals 0. Okay. So that is how you would get your search strategy information that you'll include in your methods section of your paper.